Ready to see what everyone's raving about? These viral Amazon smart home gadgets are turning everyday houses into futuristic, hands-free havens. From lights that respond to your voice to devices that think for themselves, you're about to see why the internet can't get enough. All product links are in the description below. Your bath just leveled up. This portable spa turns any standard tub into a bubbling relaxation zone, complete with dual hydro jets. You can go full bubble mode, soothing massage mode, or combine both for the ultimate soak. The adjustable jets target sore spots while the suction cups keep everything secure. Plug it in, sink in, and let the stress melt away. Your home spa session starts now. A vacuum that cleans and tidies up? Yep, this robot's got a mechanical arm that lifts small items like socks and tissues out of the way before it starts cleaning. It's smart enough to detect obstacles, avoid tangles, and mop your floors with hot water to tackle stubborn messes. Powerful suction grabs dirt from carpets and corners, and when it's done, it empties itself and washes its own mop. Total hands-off cleaning. Your hands aren't the only things that need washing. This clever gadget sanitizes your phone using 30 UVC LED lights that kill 99.9% of germs in just 30 seconds. Just drop your phone in and it automatically lowers into a reflective chamber that zaps every surface. Once done, it lifts your phone right back up, germ-free. It's fast, touch-free, and perfect to use while washing your hands. Time just got way cooler. This digital hourglass lights up with flowing LED sand that mimics a real hourglass, but with a futuristic twist. Set any time between 1 and 30 minutes, flip it, and watch as the lights cascade down in a calming display. It's great for kids, focus sessions, or just winding down. Plus, it doubles as a sleek nightlight and a fun piece of decor. One gadget, endless ways to clean. This 11-in-1 steam mop tackles everything from dirty floors to stained furniture with just water. No chemicals needed. It heats up fast and blasts out powerful steam that wipes out grime, germs, and odors. With swivel angles and adjustable height, you can reach under couches or around corners without breaking your back. And with 11 attachments, there's no mess it can't handle. Your bathroom faucet just got a futuristic upgrade. This LED faucet changes color with water temperature, so you always know what you're touching. No surprises. The pull-out sprayer rotates 360 degrees and offers 4 flow modes, perfect for rinsing, shaving, or even cleaning the sink. No batteries needed. The light powers itself. It's sleek, smart, and turns an everyday task into a high-tech moment. Outlets buried behind furniture? Not a problem anymore. This clever extender pulls your power source out from behind couches, beds, or desks and puts it right where you need it. It stretches from 22 to 34 inches, rotates 180 degrees, and gives you 2 AC outlets plus USB-A and USB-C ports, all in one sleek spot. No tools, no mess. Just plug and go. There's even a LED gauge to rest your phone while it charges. Sound you can actually see. This magnetic fluid visualizer reacts in real time to music and ambient noise, creating a hypnotic dance of motion inside a clear chamber. It's not a speaker. It listens to the beat and brings it to life through fluid movement. Use it with your favorite tracks, or just let it respond to the room. With rechargeable power and multiple modes, it's part art, part science, and 100% conversation starter. Cutting boxes has never felt this smooth. This cordless electric cutter slices through cardboard, fabric, or plastic like butter. No strain, no hassle. The titanium blade stays sharp longer, while the safety lock ensures it only runs when you want it to. Lightweight and comfy to hold, it's perfect for DIY projects, unboxing, or craft days. Plus, it charges fast and lasts up to an hour on one go. Craving cafe-quality espresso on the go? This pocket-sized machine delivers it. No cords, no batteries, just your hands. Add hot water, pop in a capsule, and pump the handle to brew rich, creamy espresso with a layer of smooth crema. It's built with eco-friendly materials and stays cool to the touch, even right after brewing. Whether you're camping or commuting, your perfect shot travels with you. Keep an eye on what matters, no matter where you are. This smart indoor camera pans, tilts, and even tracks motion automatically, so your baby, pet, or loved one is always in view. It records in crisp HD and zooms in ×6 for extra detail. Talk through it, hear what's happening, or shut it off with one tap for total privacy. Plus, all your footage stays local, no subscriptions needed. Soap with zero mess and a touch of tech. This wall-mounted dispenser shoots out fluffy foam in just 0.25 seconds. Completely touchless. It has a sleek LED screen that shows the time, battery level, and soap setting, and the rechargeable battery lasts for months. With 3 adjustable levels and a design safe for kids, it's perfect for kitchens or bathrooms. Just wave your hand and the soap does the rest. No more swatting. This 4-in-1 solar bug zapper wipes out mosquitoes and flies fast. It zaps with 4,500 volts of power, runs on solar or USB, and auto-activates at night. Whether you hang it, stake it in the yard, or set it on a table, it's ready for any space, rain or shine. With 2,100 square feet of coverage and 0 chemicals, it's safe for families, pets, and your next backyard hangout. Work smarter and sit straighter with this sleek, foldable laptop stand. It rotates 360 degrees for easy screen sharing, adjusts up to 90 degrees for perfect posture, and fits laptops from 10 to 16 inches, including MacBook Pro and Air. The open-cut design keeps your device cool, while the sturdy aluminum alloy frame supports up to 22 pounds. Whether you're in a meeting or binge-working at home, this ergonomic riser brings flexibility, comfort, and style to your setup. This travel watercolor set packs 42 vibrant shades, including shimmering pearlescence and soft macaroni tones. The foldable palette fits right in your bag, making it easy to create wherever you wander. You even get self-filling water brushes. No cup needed, no mess involved. Whether you're journaling, sketching, or postcard painting, this kit makes creativity totally portable and effortlessly fun. Waking up doesn't have to feel like a fire drill. This sunrise alarm clock gently brightens the room like a natural sunrise, so you wake up feeling calm instead of start LED. It also plays soothing white noise to help you drift off and offers multiple sleep timers. 2 alarms, a snooze button, and adjustable brightness make it fully customizable for any sleep schedule. Plus, there's even a USB port to charge your phone overnight. Tiny screen, big possibilities. This mini display connects with just one cable and instantly turns into a live dashboard for your laptop or PC. You can track CPU usage, monitor temperature, show floating song lyrics, or even display a digital photo frame. It doubles as a USB-C hub too, giving you extra ports for storage, audio, and more. Hotel room or hostel, this travel kettle's ready to boil wherever you are. It folds flat to fit in your bag, then pops up to hold enough water for coffee, tea, or instant noodles. Just press one button and it boils in minutes, then reheats automatically if it cools. The food-grade silicone body is safe, sturdy, and easy to clean. And with dual voltage support, it works just as easily abroad as it does at home. This camera doesn't just watch, it covers everything. A dual lens setup gives you a full 180 degrees field of view in stunning 4K, so nothing escapes your sight. At night, it doesn't switch to grainy black and white. Instead, its color technology keeps your footage full color and sharp, even in the dark. It connects over fast Wi-Fi 6 and powers up daily with just a bit of sunlight. Walking two dogs doesn't have to feel like a circus act. This dual retractable leash keeps things tangle-free no matter how much they crisscross and explore. Each lead extends up to 10 feet and has its own color-coded control button, so you stay in charge of both pups with one comfy handle. Reflective strips make evening walks safer, and the waterproof design means rain's no issue. No more heavy lifting or awkward pours from giant water jugs. This smart desktop water dispenser fits right on your counter and pumps water with the touch of a button. You can choose from 7 preset amounts, so it dispenses exactly what you need, from a small glass to a full bottle. It's rechargeable, quiet, and works with all standard jug sizes. Great for your bedside, office, or even camping trips. Just tap and sip. No bug stands a chance with this clever swatter in your hand. Its rotating head lets you swipe at tricky angles, on walls, ceilings, or mid-air, and the telescopic handle stretches up to 28 inches to reach those high, annoying spots. With a powerful zap, it instantly takes down flies, mosquitoes, and other pests. It's rechargeable, safe to touch, and even stands up for hands-free use. This key holder doesn't just hang keys, it watches over them. With its adorable cat and owl design, the eyes open wide when your keys are in place and close when they're gone. It mounts easily with strong adhesive. No drilling, no mess. Use it for keys, towels, hats, or even kitchen tools. It's cute, compact, and adds a touch of fun to any wall while keeping your essentials right where you need them. Digging into frozen solid ice cream just got way easier. This rechargeable scoop heats up to 158 degrees, so it melts right through even the hardest pint. No waiting, no wrestling. Just grip the handle and start scooping. No buttons needed. It's easy enough for kids and seniors to use, with a comfy grip and an LED display showing temp and battery. Waterproof and rechargeable. It's the scoop that actually does the work for you.